How to use user behavior data to improve website user experience. In today's digital age, data is key to making informed decisions and driving business success. This is especially true when it comes to website user experience. By leveraging user behavior data, website owners can gain valuable insights into how visitors interact with their website and use this information to improve their overall experience. In this post, we'll explore some tips on how to use user behavior data to optimize your website and enhance the user experience. Analyze user behavior data. The first step in leveraging user behavior data is to analyze it. This data can come from a variety of sources, such as website analytics tools and heat maps, and can provide valuable information about how users navigate your site. Look for patterns in user behavior, such as the pages they visit most frequently and the actions they take on those pages. This can help you identify areas of your website that may need improvement. Identify user pain points. Once you've analyzed your user behavior data, it's important to identify any pain points that visitors may be experiencing. This could be anything from slow page load times to confusing navigation. By understanding these pain points, you can take steps to address them and improve the overall user experience. Implement changes based on user data. The next step is to implement changes to your website based on the insights gained from user behavior data. This could include making improvements to page speed, simplifying navigation, or adding more engaging content. By making these changes, you can create a more user-friendly experience that will keep visitors coming back to your site. Monitor user behavior post-implementation. After implementing changes to your website, it's important to continue monitoring user behavior to see if these changes have had a positive impact on the user experience. This could include tracking metrics such as bounce rate, time on site, and conversion rates. By monitoring user behavior post-implementation, you can see if your changes have been effective and make further adjustments as needed. Continuously improve user experience. Finally, it's important to remember that improving website user experience is an ongoing process. By continuously monitoring user behavior and making improvements to your website, you can ensure that your visitors have the best possible experience. This can lead to increased engagement, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, business success. At Sausome Services, we specialize in website design and optimization. Our team of experts can help you leverage user behavior data to create a website that provides an exceptional user experience. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you optimize your website and drive business success.